Alright, we're looking at page 2 of the practice test. Number 7 asks, the mass spectra of a compound has an N plus and N plus 2 peaks approximately equal in intensity. So that's a BR. It has a mass charge of 108. What's the formula of it? Alright, I'll just do a simple little math there, because the bromine that creates those two equally intense peaks has a mass of approximately 79 for the M plus. Do a little bit of math there. Let's see, 29. Oh, and 29 is a CH2CH3. So we have a C2H5Br. Now, if we need to do anything more, the 29 was easy to figure out, but if we're not sure, do a 29 divided by 12. You're going to get roughly 2 there, which is where the 2 came from, and the remaining part is the 5 hydrogens. Alright, what is the mass charge value you expect for 2-methylbutane? 2-methylbutane is going to have 5 carbons. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hydrogens. So it's going to have a mass of 72. Pentanone. I'll have to make sure I give the structure to you if I were to give you something like this, since we haven't learned how to name pentanones or ketones quite yet. But a bunch of H's all over the place. But we have 5 carbons, 1 oxygen, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hydrogens. So 60, that doesn't look like a 0. 60, there's 10, and then that's 16, so 70, 86. Alright. Next one's easy. What's the IR absorption characteristic for CHs and alkanes? Alkanes are the lowest value. That's going to be just under 2,000 or under 3,000 at 2950 is where we look for it. Next one, what functional group is expected to show an intense absorption at 2250? Intense would be a nitrile. Just under 2200 would be just an alkyne, but we wouldn't expect it to be intense. Borderline evil question. What functional group is expected to show an intense absorption at 1750? Well, in that 1700s range, we know it's a carbonyl. Typically, we work for other signs, but the only reason it's typically that high is if it's part of an ester. And 13. Which compound has a strong broad absorption around 3300? Well, OH is probable because strong and broad. NH will be slightly less intense. It might have actually little spikes, and we typically point that out. But I'm going to have both those as possibilities. And 14, which of the following molecules has a... Which of the following molecules? There's none listed. 2830, 2730, and a 1730. Well, the 1730 is a carbonyl, and the 2800 and 2700 tells you it's an aldehyde.